Everyone, today I will show you how to fragment a picture in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Then go to Insert, and here click on Pictures if you want to insert a picture from your computer, or click on Online Pictures if you want to add a picture from an online picture. I will just go ahead and click on Pictures. Let's select this one, then click on Insert. Now go to the Home tab and click on New Slide to insert a new slide. Now go to the Insert tab and go to Shapes and select the shape you want to add. Let's select this one, for example. Now let's duplicate the shape, and here you can rearrange your shapes. And once you are satisfied with the shape, go back to the picture and then click on it and copy it. And here, go back to the shape. Let's reposition it. Then paste the picture here. And now you can change the placement of the picture and how you want the picture to appear in the shape. First, right click on it and then click on Send to Back. And now select everything and go to Format under Drawing Tools and click on Merge Shapes, then select Fragment. I think one of the shapes wasn't selected. Let me just adjust this. Now right click on the picture and click on Send to the Front, then select everything, and here go to Format under Drawing Tools, click on Merge Shapes, and then select Fragment. Now, as you can see, just drag the background image and delete it. Now you know how to fragment pictures in PowerPoint. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!